AIDS does not discriminate.
Gay,
straight,
men,
and women,
young,
and old.
Everyone who takes a risk
could be at risk.
CDC TV presents Health Matters.
Today, HIV and AIDS still pose a major threat to African American men, especially those who are having sex with other men. Despite improved testing, 1 in 5 HIV-positive Americans remains undiagnosed each year and may be spreading HIV through sex or drug use, unaware of life-saving medications that offer a longer, healthier life.
I think that HIV and AIDS are a huge problem across the nation and across the world.
It is important for both you and your partner to be tested for HIV.
So I would always recommend getting tested. I would get tested with my partner.
About 1.1 million people in the U.S. live with HIV, while tens of thousands more become infected annually. Gay and bisexual black men of all ages are disproportionately affected. A 2005 study in 5 major cities found as many as 46% of African American men who have sex with men were HIV positive. In recent years, infection rates among these young African American men make up 15% of new diagnoses. Preventing new HIV infections is the only way to stop the epidemic.
It's important to know your status to prevent it from spreading any further.
I'm glad I got an HIV test because I now know my status.
It's good to get tested as soon as possible so that you can get into care and stay healthy longer.
In the past, the stigma, inconvenience, and fear of a positive result prevented many from testing or returning for results. Today, new rapid tests let people know their results almost immediately. Some rapid tests use oral fluids, and others take just a quick finger prick, but all give results in the same visit.
You don't have to wait days or weeks to find out your results. You can find out that same day.
Prevention and testing are key to staying negative. CDC recommends HIV testing as a routine part of healthcare for all Americans ages 13 to 64. If you're a gay or bisexual man that is sexually active or uses drugs, CDC recommends getting an HIV test at least once a year.
You never know whether or not you have it until you get tested.
There are now effective treatments for HIV that have fewer side effects and allow people with HIV to live longer and healthier lives. Many community-based and healthcare organizations offer free HIV testing. Visit hivtest.org today or text your zip code to Know It to find a testing location nearest you.
There is power in knowing your HIV status.